Hey guys, Curtis Alexander. In this video, I want to tackle a viewer question, which is, hey, I've covered anxiety before, but what are some natural things that somebody can do outside of supplements, medications? What are just some simple natural things people can do to lower anxiety quickly? I'm going to cover two of those right now. So let's hop into it towards the end of the video. In the second example, I'm going to explain why these work so well because it has a lot to do with the gases in your body. Okay. Now, first of all, we have belly breathing. Basically, what that means, if you were to watch a baby breathing, babies naturally breathe through their belly. They're not breathing through their chest. And when we do that, we tend to take shallower breaths. We tend to get some of this anxiety. So it's really the natural way to breathe. Now, I want to kind of walk through how you do it. First of all, ideally, you want to be lying on your back, but just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to do it standing up. One hand on the chest, one hand on your belly button. The idea is to breathe in through your nose and out through pursed lips. Okay, this is going to, number one, help you slow down. And number two, kind of regulate some of those blood gases we were talking about. The third thing, it's going to help you recognize how you're breathing. Okay, so inhale through the nose, exhale out through pursed lips, hand on chest, hand on belly button, and just pay attention to how you're breathing. Make sure it's the belly expanding and contracting, not your chest. Okay. Try to shoot for maybe 3 to 5 minutes twice a day. Work up from there. It is something you can use if you feel anxiety coming on right away, but it's also something good to do each day. You'll be able to do it longer and you'll be able to recognize your breathing patterns. Okay. The next one is paper bag breathing. I say grandma was right because my grandma always used to say, if you feel anxiety, come on, breathe into a paper bag. It was always considered a wives' tale, but there's actually some science behind it. Number one, when somebody has anxiety, there's rapid, uncontrolled breathing. Okay. That's one of the hallmarks. You can also see increased oxygen levels and decreased carbon dioxide. So what paper bag breathing allows is when you breathe out, it's actually catching some of that carbon dioxide in the bag and you will breathe that back in, helping to increase your carbon dioxide levels. This is called rebreathing. Okay. And there is science behind it because of those carbon dioxide levels. It's also going to make you, just like the first one, very aware of your breathing patterns. You're going to see that bag going in and out. If it's too fast, you want to slow down. Okay. So one of the hallmarks of anxiety, I mentioned this before, rapid, uncontrolled breathing. So both of these solutions, both of these fixes help you control your breathing and they make you aware of your breathing. They are also going to help regulate oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay. And those are very important for kind of tamping down that anxiety. Let me know in the comments, guys, other topics that would be helpful for me to cover. My whole point here in these videos, I want to do stuff that's helpful for you guys. I hope this was. See you in the next one.